Winston.
No question at all about his talent, and that's been on display since his first game as a starter at Florida State. On a Monday night, the whole country watching.
37 on 1st and 10. Now a carry by the third-year man. This is Austin Eckler. And they're going to have this across. On 1st and 10, Winston. Got a man. It's Brashad Perriman. And inside the 20 years, in control of the football. As they've got it, looking at a 4th down and 2. This one through, and the Bucs take a 3-0 lead.
But he certainly, before this thing is up, he's going to have to make some big moves.
And McKinnon's going to break one. He may break it all the way. Jarek McKinnon in a foot race, and he'll win that one for a touchdown.
Like there was an opening, still ended up with a solid game.
More problems here on 3rd down. They've converted only once so far in this first half.
And you know as well as I do in this.
Up here 1st and 10 at the 20. Got a man and he hits him in stride. And he'll get this up. Off the play fake to McKinnon, it's Garoppolo. The first catch of the game for George Kittle. 20, 10, 5, and he's going to take it in. Touchdown, San Francisco. It's not an easy situation. You're down early, in the elements, you're on the road. How do you get the... And he fires one that's intercepted. Picked off at the 33. And they will finally put it into the return, but goal is McKinnon. Throwing now is Garoppolo. And across the chalk, into the end zone, it's a 49er touchdown.
Jimmy, I got to worry a little bit about the clock because you prefer not to give another shot here in the first half. But if you don't pick up the first down, guess what? You're likely going to have to.
To get this drive underway, you've got under a minute to go here until halftime. You got the good-sized lead. No need to do anything crazy.
No, there really is no need to do anything.
Up at the 29 now, they'll head to the line, 2nd and a yard. Garoppolo going to give this one to McKinnon. He'll have a first down past the 40. And he takes the incompletion on 1st down. There's Garoppolo to throw. Pressure from his right, and he goes to tough spot. They face a 3rd and long. Garoppolo looks to throw. There's the Washington Husky. It's Dante Pettis. And he fires.
The offensive staff spent the entire halftime just working with them on, here's what we think they're going to do to attack us in the second half. Nice first half that we've had.
On 1st down now, run with McKinnon. And taking it across midfield and inside the 45.
That's a lot of tackles.
Garoppolo on 1st down. Over the middle, complete to Samuel. Clearly just needed a touch more air under it. Instead, he fired an absolute bullet. And he'll get this one down to about the 20-yard line.
And here's a pass to Pettis. He'll get the first down and gets into the end zone for the touchdown. The 49ers come right back.
Big drive here just to answer the first touchdown of the second half scored against them.
They were down at the half. Now, as you mentioned, they're down a little bit bigger, but no time for discouragement. Just got to get back to it, right?
Touchdown, Tampa Bay. Mike Evans, 71 yards. Curry.
Yeah, they have to get back into the game, right? So if you're going to do that, you think to yourself, we need points right here on the opening drive. But even in
The end zone again.
has a tremendous nose for it, doesn't he? The ability to pile up yardage and find the end zone, that's the combination you want in your runner.
That's a combination any coach wants. And the line, so it's 2nd and 10. Garoppolo looks to throw once more. Over the middle, he finds Pettis complete. And this is going to lead to another first down as the tackle's made at the Bucs 36.
That defense right there. The zone was absolutely locked up tight. He was trying to force it in there on 3rd down.
But if there's a time to force it, he felt like he needed to make a play, right?
Yeah.
One play drive last time. See if the defense, you know they're ready. They don't want that to happen again.
And you would have thought they would have been ready the last time. I mean, that's what you work on all the time. Make sure that
They need to get up and set in a hurry. Throwing again on 2nd down. Winston. Oh, he's got a man wide open. for San Francisco. And with that, our journey begins, Charles. Week 1 in the books. Going to be a great season.
Oh, man, so much to look forward to. Isn't it nice to get a really good game right out of the gate? Preseason behind us. All these games count now, don't they?
Yeah, this is the exciting time with just 1 week gone and plenty of weeks to come.